I don't know, I hope I'm not copyrighted from this music since it's all live music. It's not the original song, so we might be good here. There's a neat CUDA on that. The CUDA's pretty neat. Got Foose wheels on it. There's a GTO. Really? So yours was similar looking to that?
Yeah.
It's like a pimp car.
It was like a metallic turquoise.
Really?
White top. That's sweet.
Huh.
Yeah.
Probably looked like a pimp driving that around.
That was the goal, right?
Yeah. There you go. That's why you buy something like that. The Corvette's cool. Let's see. The 61 Corvette. 61. Yeah.
What I haven't seen is a split window that.
That's true. The Stingray.
I don't think it's gonna rain.
Well, here's your Cadillac. Cadillac XLR. Huh? It's cool. I like XLRs. It's neat. Did you drive one when they were new?
I like it better than that.
Yeah, they do look better than the Corvette.
You know, a modern design.
That Bel Air wagon's cool.
Yeah.
Nomad wagon.
Yeah.
Look at the Chevelle. That's cool.
SS.
Hmm.
It's cool.
Well, I guess now we'll have to move down to the front row and leave off where we were.
Big show, man.
It is a big show. We've been walking around for 40 minutes now.
Nice day for it.
What'd you say?
Nice day for it.
Yeah,
Perfect.
it is perfect for a car show. The last couple days were way too hot. It can melt you. Mid-engine Corvette. Let's Stingray. 1965 Stingray. That is sharp. There's a beetle. Slug bug. That old brass era car. It's crazy looking. It's an old Buick. That's cool. Dang, look how small that seat is back there. That's crazy. You drive on the right hand side. That's a tiny rumble seat on the back. You'd be hanging on for dear life in that seat. That's cool. No, you don't see cars like this that often. It's crazy they're driving on the right hand side in it. Camaro SS. Nova. The Chevrolet Capital.
So, call curious when it's all done.
There's a Pimp-mobile right there. There's a Pimp-mobile, yeah. Jeez. That's crazy. Huge Cadillac. Looks like it. Yeah, it's a 74 Coupe de Ville. Huh. It's huge.
Well, it's only a little two-door coupe. Not like it went for the big four-door.
That's true. Dang.
This one's a little over 5.
Over 5? Wow.
And had one of these.
She did?
I know.
Jeez.
It's either Cooper or Colorado. One of about that.
Okay. They look pretty similar.
We got a 3D car printer now.
They just be stamp plastic. Drop it in there.
Look at the Bel Air wagon. That's cool. That's really cool. It's a really sweet looking Bel Air. I like the seats in it. Old Ford Coupe. That is cool. A black Ford. It's sharp. That's a nice car. Clean looking. Yeah, that's cool.
That's a beauty. Yeah, must have guys got good taste.
Exactly. That's
You must
true.
have your driveway flattened because of the ground clearance.
No, it's a flat driveway. I got a buddy of mine's got a 40 down there on the other side. He's parked in the grass, and he looks like he's right in the grass.
Yeah, that blue one. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're sweet.
Nice car.
Oh, that's cool. That Bel Air coming by. That's a sweet car. Look at the rims on that thing. Dang. Oh, I got some cars dipping out.
They were gone. When I got there, where are those
Yeah, I have. Yeah, Burt Reynolds.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
that Trans Am.
Exact, but it's black.
Yep. My buddy had a exact same car.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
That's cool. Was it black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the exact same
cool.
car. Yeah. It's a sweet look.
It's a neat car.
Nice cock.
Stingray.
What year was this?
I don't know. It's a newer one. Couple-year-old car. Oh, there ain't really much left over here in the end. Maybe somebody brought their grandma's car. See? Hey, you good to flip around or?
Well, let's keep going back here.
All right. There's a Stingray.
Yep. Sleeve. Yep. That's sweet.
That's a neat looking car.
I love the silver.
It's a good color on it with the chrome.
Especially with the black convertible. The black
It's a mean looking car.
That's what you want to get.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna buy with your eBay money. Mr. Rally Sport. Yeah, there's not really anything else over here. Another pimp looking Monte Carlo. We gotta go all the way over that way into the front now. Unless we do this back row right here. And these back couple. So we'll go do that then. Alright. Well, this will conclude the end of this part, but there will be a second part of this video, so we'll start off right where we left off, so stay tuned. Thank you. Peace out.